Good morning, dear children. Welcome you all to the class of cursive writing. Today we will learn how to make small cursive letter F. F for fruits. First of all, we will learn how to make small cursive letter F in a playway method. So let's start. Get your pencil ready on the dot. Go up, up, up towards the top red line. It should be slanting. Suppose you forgot something at home. You turn back. Meet with your friend. Then you go back to the same blue line. This is your home line. Suppose you fell down. And your friend, F for friend, helped you to get up. He helped you to get up and you came on the same point where you meet with your friend. Then you say thank you to your friend for helping. This is our cursive letter F. Get your pencil ready on the dot. Go up, up, up towards the top red line. It should be slanting. You forgot something at home. You turn back. You meet with your friend at your friend's house. And then you were coming back to your home line or the same blue line. Suddenly you fell down. Your friend helped you to get up and he took you to his house. This is your friend's house and then you expressed thanks to your friend. Get your pencil ready on the dot. Go up, up, up towards the top red line. Turn back. Stop at your friend's house. Then you are coming to your home. Suddenly you fell down. Your friend helped you to get up. He took you to his house. This is your friend's house. Then you shake hand with your friend to express thanks. This is our cursive letter F. F for friend. Get your pencil ready on the dot. Go up, up, up towards the top red line. Turn back. Stop here for a moment. Then what you have to do? You have to go towards the bottom red line. Then again you have to turn. But this time you have to turn towards the front, not towards the back side. Again you have to turn and then you have to make a tail. While making cursive letter F, you have to take two turns. One here and one here. Here back side and here front side. See for one more time. Get your pencil ready on the dot. Go up, up, up towards the top red line. Turn back. Close it here for a moment. Then you have to go towards the bottom red line. Again you have to turn towards the front and close it here at this point and then make a tail. This is our cursive letter F. F for fruits. Get your pencil ready on the dot. Go up, up, up towards the top red line. Turn back. Close it here. Then where you have to go? Towards the home line? No. Towards the bottom red line. Bottom red line. Then you have to turn. Not this side. From this side you have to turn. From the front side. Turn. And you have to close it here. At this point. At second blue line. And then you have to make a tail. This is our small cursive letter F. Some of my dear children will make cursive letter F like this. But this is completely wrong. Here, small cursive letter F didn't touch the bottom red line and you have turned it at the back side, which is wrong. So, see the hand movements carefully. It's little difficult, but you can do it with more and more practice. So, see the hand movements carefully. Dear kids, see the video carefully to know the correct formation of small cursive letter F, and it really needs practice. Bye-bye.